Welcome to the CT Hub channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use the T-Life mobile app to easily access and manage your T-Mobile account. With the T-Life app, you can also explore and redeem exclusive T-Mobile rewards and benefits. T-Life has become the ultimate app for accessing and managing all the features offered by T-Mobile. As a T-Mobile customer, you can explore the latest exclusive deals through T-Mobile Tuesdays and enjoy all the benefits of your Magenta Status. The app also lets you perform a variety of essential tasks, including managing your account, viewing and paying bills, enabling security features, checking plan details, and configuring your T-Mobile home internet gateway. If you need assistance with anything, simply tap the button at the top to chat directly with customer care. To access your T-Mobile account on your iPhone, open the T-Life app and tap Manage at the bottom right. If you want to view your recent bill, select View Bill. To add a payment method, tap More Payment Options. To make a payment, tap Make a Payment. Here, you can edit an existing payment method or add a new one. Tap the back arrow at the top left to return to the previous screen. You'll also find an option to add a new person or device to your account. Additionally, T-Mobile offers protection plans for your home smart devices, making it easier to keep everything secure. Tap on the protection option to learn more about the plan and the devices it covers. This plan offers protection for an unlimited number of devices with a $0 service fee. If you decide to enroll, you can easily submit claims online. Explore the comprehensive list of devices covered under the plan to see if it meets your needs. Scroll down on the protection plan screen to access the calculator, which helps you estimate the value of your home tech devices. This tool can help you determine if signing up for the protection plan is a worthwhile investment. Scroll down to explore T-Mobile's additional worry-free protection plan for your phones, tablets, and watches. This plan covers drops, cracks, and spills. Tap Find Out More to view the details of the coverage and what's included. Keep in mind, this protection needs to be signed up for each individual device you want to cover. Further down on the Manage Account screen, you can check out the current promotions available for you. For example, you can refer someone to T-Mobile and earn $50 per referral. On the Account Management screen, tap Benefits or select Status at the bottom to view your current benefits and rewards offered by T-Mobile. Scroll down to explore all the available travel deals and other exclusive offers. Navigate to the Featured section to explore the latest deals. Tap on an offer to save or redeem it. Keep in mind that each offer has an expiration date, so make sure to redeem it on time. Switch to the Tuesdays tab to browse the exclusive gifts and rewards offered by T-Mobile every Tuesday. You can also take advantage of discounts on hotels and car rentals by tapping on the respective offers, which will redirect you to the T-Mobile travel website for easy booking. Tap Magenta Pass to add it to your Apple Wallet. This pass gives you access to T-Mobile's customer entrances and on-site perks at select events and locations. You can also explore and take advantage of many exclusive shopping deals offered by T-Mobile through T-Life app. Check the T-Life app regularly to take advantage of exclusive offers on shopping, entertainment, live events, travel, and much more. These offers can save you money. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We've got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.